So I am here with Ozan and Adriano, and they just finished up their talk. And can you guys give me kind of a breakdown of what your talk was about and what was called?
Yeah, so basically we talk about a lot of things, like a lot of things related with front end, some issues that, probably most of the developers already faced. Yeah. And we were just kind of trying to help everyone on how to fix them with some tips and tricks, like exposing client actions from a block to a screen and execute
them. That are not out of the box in OutSystems, and a lot of developers have problems with solving these kinds of things when they first face them.
Yeah.
But there are ways to solve them, and that's what we wanted to show.
Oh, gotcha.
As Adriano said, we showed a lot of things. Of course, we don't expect everything to be understood at once, but it was just like a showcase to show what OutSystems front end is capable to do, because people are mostly afraid of front end, right?
Yes.
OutSystems developers.
Yes. Yeah. So that's not very common to actually have to work that much on the front end part of OutSystems, because actually the platform does a lot already, and we have OutSystems UI that already also helps a lot with the library of components.
That's awesome.
There is also like the side of the customers that they want that extra finesse, let's say, that personal touch. And sometimes we need to actually do some custom work, and we try to help people by sharing these tricks.
Yeah,
basically.
That's awesome. So as far as like issues that OutSystem developers might run into in regards to the front end, what's some of the things that you guys have seen in your experience to help you like develop this talk?
I had a lot of problems at my clients, and that's how it started. So I collected them. I actually had a notepad. We also deal with front end internally, like we are already at a front end guild at our own company.
Yeah.
So we try to share knowledge between each other about front end, and I keep a list of challenges that I have, and I mean most of the things that we talked here were actually already challenges that we faced at the clients.
Yeah.
And we just wanted to share that knowledge. So they were real problems, actually.
Yeah. No, that's really interesting to know about, because like obviously developers, we face problems, right? And being able to get tips to be able to solve them helps the development process overall. If there's one tip that you could give to maybe a newer OutSystems developer in regards to front end, what do you think that would be?
Prepare everything up front, like start right at the beginning of the project to define the architecture, the front end architecture in terms of themes, patterns, etc. Start doing that at the start, because then it will be much harder to do it while the project is already ongoing. I think that's the best that I can say.
That's a good advice.
Yeah, good advice.
Yeah.
I would say don't use inline CSS.
No, inline CSS, okay.
Neither the important.
The important keyword.
Well, that's awesome. Well, Adriano, Ozan, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you talking to me, and we'll see you guys around.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you.